Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Nissan Kicks. First, gather all your supplies: new oil, a new filter, a drain pan, and the correct wrenches. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Safety first. Now, let's get ready to locate the drain plug and filter. With your drain pan ready, position it directly under the oil drain plug. Using the appropriate wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to start flowing immediately. Let all the old, dirty oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient and ensure it's fully emptied. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Reinstall the drain plug firmly, but do not over-tighten it. Finally, carefully pour the specified amount of new engine oil into the fill port. Check your dipstick to confirm the level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.